Hey, what's up, Uziar? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips we can actually apply to your website. This is going to help you with your rankings, get on that first page of Google, and really bring these leads in that's coming in online. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up here. And so the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Everything that you see, Google sees as well. Even all these little images, this all has content behind it. You got Service 5. Put some keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can actually draw in more leads. So the first tip I'm actually going to go over is content and being about 2,000 words on this first page. That way you can actually layer in all those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even found. Kind of give you an idea here. If I go inside of Google, type in HVAC San Diego, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. They came up with these to kind of go to replace the old school ads, which these been spammy, so they came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of the spammy phone calls. Another form of paid advertisement, really. A lot of people have ad blockers up as well, so a lot of ads aren't even getting through. You got this little map pack right here. Can actually go inside this thing. Bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top, and to get to the very top right here, you're going to be dealing with these things called citations. They're just online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what you'd want to do is come in here and go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them too, so I would go out and get maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in this listing. I'm going to come back out of this thing. And then underneath this GMB, we have that first page of Google. This is really where all that organic traffic lands right here on that first page. And to get your website found right here, you're going to be dealing with all that content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to yours. All it does is just really push power to your site so you can get on that first page of Google. Kind of give you an idea here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 8 referring domains, pushing back 24 backlinks. Historically, you've had about 109 there. 11 keywords you're being found for, and in return, you got 7 clicks to your site every month. We can actually come in and see where those clicks are coming from. You got, here's your keywords. This is the amount of volume and also the position that you got. Yeah, let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Bill Howe. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So 9 referring domains, 36 backlinks. Historically he's only had 85. That just really comes down by the quality of those backlinks that he's actually getting. 55 keywords he's being found for, and 361 clicks to his website every month. You can actually come in and see where those clicks are coming from. HVAC San Diego, 400 clicks a month, first position, 85 clicks from the 400. Air conditioning repair, HVAC repair San Diego, another 100 clicks. So coming in and finding these keywords and whichever keyword you actually want to start ranking for, as long as you're doing those quality backlinks, you're going to get in those higher rankings and actually start bringing in those leads and get your phone ringing off the hook as well. Anyway, hopefully this all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Take care.